Thank you for joining me today. I've got a great 10-minute TRX full body workout for you. My name is Brad Boggs. I'm the owner of Bennett Fitness. I've been a personal trainer for 20 years. Here at Bennett Fitness, we are all about helping you on your fitness journey, whatever that is. So we have nutritional tip videos, we have exercise tip videos. We also have workouts like this one, 10-minute workouts, 30-minute workouts. So definitely check out our other videos after this one. Grab your towel, grab your water, and your TRX, and let's get right into it. All right, here we go. We've got 40 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. I'm gonna give you 4 exercises and we're gonna go through 3 times total. All right, so first exercise in our series, we're gonna do a combination move for this first exercise, and you're gonna do a push-up into a tricep extension. Push-up, extension, all right? That's your first exercise. Second exercise, again, a combination. What we're gonna do 20 seconds of a front pistol squat, and then we're just switching legs. So kind of not a combination, we're switching legs at 20, all right? Third exercise, we're still facing your anchor point, and we're gonna do a row and a curl. The key is not to bounce with the TRX, all right? And then your last exercise, we are gonna do everybody's fun and favorite, we're gonna do jump lunges. So we're just right here, we're gonna go one side 20 seconds, and then we'll switch, and we'll do 20 on the other side, all right? That's your 4 exercises, or I should say our 4 exercises. All right, here we go. Starting that timer. You'll see it up in the upper corner here. Let's do it. All right, starting off with push-ups and triceps. Here we go, and go. So push-up, tricep, good. Push-up, tricep. The key is you are not bending at the waist. You're like doing a plank. It's like doing a plank. So core is nice and tight, push-up, tricep, yep. Not bending at the waist. If it's too easy, take a step back, challenge yourself. If it's too hard, take that little step forward. Whatever works best for you. Push-up, tricep. Doing great. We've got 10 seconds left. This is gonna go by quick. This is 10 minutes. All right, push-up, tricep. Push-up, tricep. Push-up, good. You're gonna feel those triceps tomorrow, let me tell you. All right, we've got your pistol squat, 20 seconds on each leg. Really sit back like you're sitting into a chair, but you're just doing it on one leg. The TRX are really helping you with your balance, all right? The more advanced that you can get, you can hold the TRX less and less for balance and come up on your own, all right? Here we go. Yep, keep that leg up in line with your other leg. Let's switch legs. We'll switch sides. So see how my leg that I'm not using is coming up. Try to keep your chest up. Try not to dump forward. All right, here we go. We've got 5 seconds. Good, sit back. Sit back. Good, all right. We're still facing this anchor point. We've got your row, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Curls, curl to your forehead, keep those elbows up. Again, like I said, we're not bouncing. We're nice and controlled. Nice and controlled. If you wanna make it tougher, step forward. Step forward. If it's a little bit too hard, take a little bit step back, but really focus on good movement. Keep your shoulders down out of your ears. You don't want your shoulders up, you wanna keep them down. Row, curl. Row, curl, good. Row, curl. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, good job. All right, we've got those jump lunges with one leg forward, 20 seconds on one leg, 20 on the other, and then we're going back to the beginning, all right? Just up and down. TRX are helping you with your balance. Good. Just down and up, down and up. All your weight should be in this front leg here as you go up and down. That back leg is just guiding you. All right, let's switch sides. It's been 20 seconds. You got it. Let's sweat, let's go. It's just 10 minutes. If you wanna be more advanced, you can do this workout twice. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, whew, shake those legs out, coming back to the beginning. Push up tricep, push up tricep. All right, again, core is nice and tight. Let your body just fall forward, push up, and then a tricep. Keeping those elbows in, push up, tricep. If you need to take a little step in between each one, that's totally okay. Do what works best for you. The key is just showing up. That's what we always tell people, tell clients, because most people don't show up. They'd rather sit on, do something else, or just doing what you can at the pace you can. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right. Here we go. Single leg, down and up, down and up. Try to keep that chest up. Good. If you want more of a challenge, do it with one hand. All right. If not, here is just fine. Sit back, push that butt back. All right, let's switch legs. Good. Good. Single leg down. Make sure your whole foot stays on the ground as you go down. Don't let that heel come up. Don't let that heel come up. Down and drive that hip forward. Drive that hip forward. Feel it in the glute. Good job. All right. We're staying here. Row and curl. Row and curl. And go. And curl. Row, squeeze those shoulder blades and curl. You're pulling to your forehead as you curl, keeping those elbows up. Row and curl. Again, keeping those shoulders down out of your ears. Row and curl. Row and curl. I've said this in other TRX videos, but if you have, your hands are getting tired, try to loosen up just a little bit. If you're new to the TRX, sometimes people get the death grip, as we call it in the beginning. Row and curl. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, we've got your lunges. Lunges, let's finish round 2 strong. Here we go. Whew. And go. Down and up, down and up. Again, all that weight's in that front leg. TRX are helping you balance. Whew. Let's do this. Whew. If this is starting off your day, what a way to start. Good job. If it's the end of your day, a great way to end your day. Switch legs. I was a little over on that 20 seconds, it's okay. Whew. Good. Down and up. You got it. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I could have gotten one more. I'm gonna turn up the sound a little bit on that timer. Push up and triceps, last round. Here we go, it's final round. Push up, tricep, push up, tricep. Keep those elbows in. Keep those elbows in as you do your tricep. Elbows in right there, see? Whew. Easier said than done, right? Push up, tricep. Push up, tricep. You got this. This is the last of these today. Push up, tricep. Letting my body fall forward. My arms are doing all the work. Push up, tricep. Push up, tricep. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, 3 exercises to go. All right. We've got your single leg squat. Here we go. You got this. You can do it. We're in this together. Let's go. Down and up, sit back. Try to get your knee to go out. You don't want your knee to cave in. You want it to go out if you can. All right, down and up. Down and up, keep that chest up. kind of telling myself, switch legs. I tend to hunch over like a lot of people. Here we go, 10 seconds. Sit back, push through that heel. Drive that hip forward, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, we've got your last row and curl. Last row and curl, let's do it. And go, row, curl, curling up to your forehead or higher. Row and curl, row and curl, good job. Row, curl, row, curl, row, opening up that chest, squeeze those shoulder blades and curl. Row, good, and curl. Here we go. Row, curl. 10 seconds. Row and curl. Row and curl. Good. All right, this is it. Last 40 seconds, 20 seconds. Squat jumps on each, or lunge jumps, squat jumps, each leg. Here we go. Let's finish strong. Let's go, let's go. Jump, jump, jump. Down and up, down and up. Find your rhythm. Find what works best for you. Whew. And switch, and switch. Good, here we go. Whew. This leg's tougher for me. Here we go, almost there. 5 seconds. All the way through, all the way through. And, whew. Good job. Great job today. That was a great 10-minute workout. If you want to make it that tougher, looking for a little extra challenge, pair that with one of our other 10-minute workouts. Do these right back to back. It will be a great 20-minute sweat. Let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your comments and feedback. We love bringing you these classes, so your feedback is much appreciated, so thank you. Definitely like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more workouts. We'll see you next time.